Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to this special episode where we explore a vision that transcends borders and resonates with the universal theme of renewal. Today, we present a declaration that aspires to unite people across the globe. Spring Renewal, International New Day.
On this momentous occasion, March 20th, 2025, the Human and AI Educational Institute proudly announces and recommends that the first day of spring each year be officially named as International New Day. This declaration is a call to all nations and communities around the world to recognize this day as a celebration of renewal, unity, and collective hope.
This recommendation is being made not only to the United Nations, but also to U.S. governmental authorities, urging global leaders to adopt this symbolic day as a gesture of solidarity. Just as nature begins anew in the spring, so too can we, as individuals and nations, embrace new beginnings, lay down old grievances, and build a more harmonious future. International New Day seeks to inspire actions alongside celebrations. Imagine nations coming together to launch environmental projects, sign peace accords, and celebrate cultural diversity with shared festivities. This day embodies humanity's connection with nature and our shared journey toward a brighter tomorrow. Let's embrace this vision and take the message of International New Day beyond borders and barriers. Together, we can transform this declaration into a reality, starting with small actions in our communities and extending them to the world stage.